Cracking the code, mastering homographs in English. Hello language explorers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our Advanced English Vocabulary series. Today, we are diving deep into a fascinating topic: homographs. Don't worry if the term sounds a bit intimidating. We'll break it down and explore it in a fun, engaging way. First things first, let's define what homographs are. Homographs are words that are spelled the same way but may or may not share the same pronunciation. What makes them really interesting is that they can have completely different meanings, despite their identical spellings. This can add a layer of complexity to language learning, but it's also a great opportunity to enhance your vocabulary. Let's look at some examples to better understand homographs. 1. Tear. This could either mean to rip something or the droplet that comes out of your eye when you're emotional. 2. Bow. This could mean the act of bending forward as a gesture of respect, or it could refer to a tied ribbon. 3. Lead. As a noun, this could mean the heavy, soft, malleable, and ductile metal. As a verb, it could mean to guide or direct. The variety in meaning despite the same spelling is what characterizes homographs. Understanding homographs isn't just about memorizing definitions. It's crucial to learn how to use these words in context. Let's create sentences using the homographs we've just discussed. 1. Tear. He managed to tear the paper in half. Versus, a tear slipped down her cheek. 2. Bow. He took a bow after his performance. Versus, she wore a pink bow in her hair. 3. Lead. This statue is made of lead. Versus, she will lead the meeting today. These examples clearly show how homographs can be used in different contexts, changing their meaning while retaining the same spelling. We've reached the end of our homograph adventure. I hope this deep dive has been as fun for you as it was for us. Remember, understanding homographs will not only enrich your English vocabulary but also help you appreciate the depth and complexity of the language. Keep practicing, and you'll master these tricky words in no time. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying your English language journey.